The animation industry is now worth billions of dollars, and its demand is growing every day. Even some YouTube creators are earning millions with simple 2D animations. So why are we falling behind? Let's join this booming industry. If you're new or can't use software like Blender 3D, don't worry. We'll create animation videos using AI, where our main job is providing prompts, and the AI does the rest. Step 1. Generating a story with ChatGPT. First, we need a captivating story for our video. For this tutorial, we'll generate a simple story using ChatGPT. ChatGPT can create engaging and imaginative stories based on the prompts you provide. For this example, I'll prompt ChatGPT to write a short adventure story in 200 words. Here's an example of a story generated by ChatGPT. Step 2. Creating animation with Steve AI. Now that we have our story, we'll use Steve AI to bring it to life. Steve AI is a powerful tool that transforms text into animation. To get started, log into Steve AI and create a new project. 1. Select animation type. Choose text to animation as we are creating an animated video. 2. Set video ratio. For YouTube videos, select the 16:9 ratio. 3. Choose category and title. Pick a category that best fits your video and give it an appropriate title. Steve AI will generate a sample script based on your story. Replace this sample script with the story we generated using ChatGPT. Copy the story and paste it into Steve AI. Click Next to continue and select a template. Step 3. Script and visuals. Steve AI will now generate visuals and storyboards for your script. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the visuals are ready, review each scene carefully. Make necessary changes to backgrounds, characters, and props to ensure they match your story. Here's how to do it. Change background. Click on the background footage and select a suitable option from the library. Change characters and props. Click on characters or props, then choose alternatives that better fit your narrative. For example, in the first scene, if the background is a modern city but your story is set in a forest, you'll need to change it. Click on the background footage and select an appropriate forest background. Similarly, if your character is holding a smartphone but the story involves an ancient map, you'll need to change the prop to a map. Continue check any scenes in your video and change them all to suitable with your story. Step 4. Adding voiceover. With the visuals ready, it's time to add a voiceover. You have two options. Record your own voice or use Steve AI's voice generation feature. For this tutorial, we'll use Steve AI's voice generation. 1. Select language, accent, and gender. Choose the appropriate settings for your voiceover. 2. Generate voiceover. Click Generate and listen to the voiceover to ensure it sounds natural.
The expedition faced relentless challenges, venomous creatures, impenetrable foliage, and sweltering heat. Each step deeper into the jungle brought them closer to their goal but also closer to danger.
Step 5. Fine-tuning the animation. Once the voiceover is added, you might need to fine-tune the animation. This involves synchronizing the animation with the voiceover, adjusting the timing of scenes, and ensuring smooth transitions. Here are some tips. Synchronize animation with voiceover. Make sure that the character's movements match the voiceover. If a character is speaking, their lip movements should align with the spoken words. Adjust timing. Ensure each scene has enough time to convey the message, but isn't too slow to bore the audience. You can adjust the duration of each scene by dragging the timeline. Smooth transitions. Use transitions to make the shift from one scene to another seamless. This helps maintain the flow of the video and keeps the audience engaged. Step 6. Adding background music and sound effects. Adding background music and sound effects can significantly enhance the quality of your animation. Steve AI provides a library of royalty-free music and sound effects. Choose a track that complements the mood of your story. For example, an adventurous background score can add excitement to your animation. 1. Select background music. Choose a track that matches the tone of your story. Adjust the volume to ensure it doesn't overpower the voiceover. 2. Step 7. Publishing the video. Once you're satisfied with the visuals, voiceover, and sound effects, it's time to publish your video. Click Publish and Steve AI will process your video. This rendering process might take a while, so let's fast forward. After the video is rendered, click Download to save it to your computer. Let's review the final product to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect.
The heart of the dense Amazon rainforest, Maya, an intrepid archaeologist, uncovered a clue that promised the discovery of a lifetime. Hidden within the pages of an ancient journal, the clue hinted at the location of the lost city of El Dorado. With a team of seasoned explorers, Maya set off on a treacherous journey, driven by the promise of untold riches and historical significance. The expedition faced relentless challenges: venomous creatures, impenetrable foliage, and sweltering heat. Each step deeper into the jungle brought them closer to their goal, but also closer to danger. One evening, while resting by a roaring campfire, Maya noticed strange markings on a nearby tree. Intrigued, she studied the symbols, recognizing them as a map leading to El Dorado. Guided by the cryptic symbols, the team navigated through the treacherous terrain, crossing perilous rivers and climbing steep cliffs. Days turned into weeks, and just as hope began to wane, they stumbled upon a hidden valley shrouded in mist. There, beneath the thick canopy, lay the legendary city, its golden temples glistening in the sunlight. However, their presence did not go unnoticed. El Dorado was more magnificent than Maya had ever imagined. The team explored the city's vast expanse, marveling at the intricate carvings and treasures that filled every corner. The guardians of El Dorado, descendants of the city's ancient inhabitants, emerged from the shadows, their faces stern but not unkind. The guardians, recognizing her sincerity and respect for their heritage, allowed them to document the city's wonders but warned them to take nothing. Maya, with respect and humility, communicated her team's intentions. Grateful and awestruck, Maya and her team complied, preserving the secrets of El Dorado while sharing its story with the world. Returning home, Maya's discovery captivated the world, a testament to the wonders that await those who dare to seek them.
Step 8. Reviewing and uploading. The video turned out great with minimal effort. With more time and attention to detail, you can achieve even better results. Now, upload the video to your YouTube channel and start generating real money. That's it for today's tutorial. We covered the entire process of creating an animation video using AI, from generating a story with ChatGPT to bringing it to life with Steve AI, adding voiceovers, and fine-tuning the final product. By following these steps, you can create high-quality animation videos with minimal effort and start generating real income. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.